Here we come to the elevator at Fetzer Hall at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This is a southern elevator. I believe it's southern. Both lanterns light up. This is an old one. Oh no, this is an Otis. Otis of GAL, cool. This was installed in 1981. I don't think you can hear the motor over that fan. Four. Ryan has also filmed this elevator as well. It's known as that NC elevator lover person. Alright, let's go down to 2. It's a nice elevator, all red. I did not know this is an Otis, which is why I did not show my Otis nameplate, I'm sorry. Your fixtures. There's your phone, which is not ADA compliant. All right, there it goes, and that's it.